Hi, friends. I'm Sam, your money buddy for deposit, or as I like to call it, saving money. When we save money, we put it somewhere safe so it can grow. Kind of like making our money wait so it can team up with our other money later to buy something bigger. Hey, Zoomer, how's it going, man?
Hey, Sam, guess what?
What?
I got $5 from my grandma. I think I'll go to the store and buy that skateboard I've been wanting. Yeah.
Zoomer, a skateboard doesn't cost $5. A skateboard costs $30.
I only have $5.
Seems like a big problem, huh? Well, you know what you can do, Zoomer.
Yeah?
You can save your money. That's right. Deposit it in your piggy bank or a savings jar and let it grow.
Wait, but if I save my money, then I can't spend it on the things I want today.
Well, you don't have to save it all today, Zoomer. If you save just $2 or $3 out of that $5, you'll start building up money in your savings. Then you'll have enough for your skateboard soon and still have the money left for other things you might want to buy today.
Okay.
Let's see how that works.
Crosby just got his allowance for doing chores this week, $10 whole. He has his eye on a new soccer ball that costs $20, but he also would really like some ice cream today for $5.
So, how much money do you have today?
I have $10.
And how much does your soccer ball cost?
20.
Not enough yet. What if we try splitting your money?
So you mean spending half now and saving half later?
Exactly. You can use $5 now on something small that you want. Maybe that ice cream sundae. But then deposit the remaining $5 to save for something bigger that you want later, like that soccer ball. That's what saving is. Whoa,
That was cool. Here's the $5 I'm saving for my soccer ball.
nice.
And here's the $5 I'm saving for my ice cream.
That's awesome.
But wait, if I save my whole $10, I can get that soccer ball even faster.
That's true. But that means no ice cream today. Tough choice. What do you think?
I don't need the ice cream today. I'd rather get that soccer ball faster.
That sounds like a smart choice.
Saving means telling your money to wait. When you make your money wait, your money grows and grows. If you're good at saving, you can get something even better later.
I did it, Sam!
You sure did, Cross. Way to go. That's what savings power looks like.
Yeah.
It's game time, money buddies. I'll list 3 things for a parent to spend money on. Your job is to put them in order of what's most important, starting with needs first and ending with wants. Okay, Luke's mom just got her paycheck for going to work. The family has been saving up for a beach trip this summer. Luke wants a new video game, and the bills just came in the mail. Let's take a second and think. What order should Luke's mom spend her money in? What's most important? Yeah, C, because needs always come before wants. Good job. Now, what's next? Enjoying a video game or saving for a vacation? Well, Luke's mom has already been saving up for her goal of a family vacation, so that would definitely come before a new video game. Maybe Luke can earn and save up his own money to buy that, or ask for it for his birthday. If you said C, A, B, you are A-OK. Great job, money buddies. Now it's your turn. Make your own savings jar today, like this one. Ask your parents for an old jar that you can stash your money in. You can even decorate it with stickers and write what you're saving for. We're gonna make our own savings jar. To do this, you're gonna need an empty jar, tape, markers or crayons, stickers, ribbon, glitter pens, and anything else you want to decorate it. On your marks, get set, let's make some savings jars. me about your jar.
So I put money stickers on it.
What are you gonna save up for? Socks?
Yeah.
I love socks.
You don't have any on right now.
I do too have socks on.
Oh my gosh.
Put it down, put it down, put it down, put it down. I really like how you're decorating your jar, man. What are you gonna save up for?
A new baseball bat.
Wow. Your jar looks absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
What are you gonna save up for?
Shoes.
Shoes.
Yeah.
That's awesome. I love shoes. Your jar looks really good, man.
Yeah.
What did you put on it?
Money stickers.
What are you gonna save up for?
A baseball bat.
Remember, Money Buddies, savings isn't about saying no. It's about telling our money to wait so it can grow into something even better. Do something today you'll thank yourself for later. Whoa, hey Zoomer.
Hey, Sam. I just earned another $5 mowing my neighbor's yard.
Awesome.
I'm gonna deposit this in my savings jar to keep saving up for that skateboard.
That's the spirit, Zoomer. Keep saving your money up and you'll have that skateboard in no time.
Yeah.
And that is it for this episode of Money Buddies. It was so much fun learning how to deposit and save our money. Next time, we'll meet Grumplesnoot and learn how to defend our money and make sure it stays safe. We'll see you then on the Money Buddies.